Welcome back where we nurture your gardening journey. Today, we're going to talk about a common woe among tomato enthusiasts: pests. Specifically, how to deal with them using a simple yet effective solution: bug spray for tomato plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, dealing with pests like aphids, caterpillars, and whiteflies can be a real headache. But fear not, because today, I'll be sharing with you a DIY bug spray recipe that will help keep those pesky critters at bay and your tomato plants thriving. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of water, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of dish soap. These ingredients might already be in your kitchen, making this bug spray not only effective but also budget-friendly. Now, let's whip up this concoction. It's as easy as pie. First, finely chop the garlic and onion. Once chopped, add them to a blender along with the water. Blend until you have a smooth mixture. Next, strain the mixture into a spray bottle to remove any solid bits. Now, add the cayenne pepper and dish soap to the strained liquid. Give it a good shake to mix everything together, and voila! Your DIY bug spray for tomato plants is ready to use. But wait, how do you apply it? It's simple. Just spray the mixture onto the leaves and stems of your tomato plants, making sure to cover both the top and underside of the leaves. Pay extra attention to areas where pests tend to congregate, like the undersides of leaves and around the stem. Now, you might be wondering, does it really work? Well, let me assure you, this bug spray is incredibly effective at repelling pests, while being gentle on your tomato plants. With regular application, you'll notice a significant reduction in pest damage, allowing your tomato plants to thrive and produce delicious, juicy fruits. So there you have it, folks. A simple yet powerful solution to tackle pests in your tomato garden. Give this DIY bug spray a try, and say goodbye to pesky critters ruining your harvest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next